Hi everyone, and welcome back to Groove Techies Podcast. My name is Mai, a member of Groove Technology Vietnam. In this episode, I'd like to discuss a question many of us are quietly asking. Is AI going to take my job? Well, from another perspective, right? What if AI is not here to take your job, but to take over the boring parts of it? What if AI could help you do more of what you are good at and less of what drains you? Let's explore how to make AI your ally, not enemy. Now, here's the key point. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces repeating tasks. You can think of AI as a smart assistant. It can help you sort through data, draft standardized email, summarize bulky documents, or help drafting content. But AI cannot connect with people, solve problems with empathy, or lead a team. So, instead of worrying if your job will disappear, ask, what parts of my job can I use AI to do faster or better? Now, here are the 3 simple ways to make AI your allies. 1. Save time by automating the small stuff. Have you ever tried other AI to summarize your meetings? So you can let AI make meeting notes, search for information, or plan your week. You will have more time to focus on the bigger picture work. 2. Use it to boost your strengths. Now, if you love problem solving, use AI to validate data, collect information, and test your solutions. If you're good at presentation, for example, use AI to help structure your idea or suggest questions that help clarifying your points. And 3, stay curious, not scared. You don't have to be a tech expert. Just stay curious. Learn how 1 or 2 tools work. Play with them. The more you try, the more confident you become with AI. In conclusion, there is one thing for us to take away here. AI won't replace you, but someone who uses AI well might. That's not a threat. It's a reminder. The people who succeed in this new world are not the ones who know everything. They are the ones who are willing to learn and to adapt. So, if you embrace AI as a tool, not a threat, you stay in control. And you will lead the change instead of being left behind. Thank you for joining us today. Those are some of my ideas, but I'm also curious to know yours. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. And I hope to meet you again in my follow-up episode about how to use AI wisely. Till then, enjoy your journey and goodbye.